Let's do an oil change on this pressure washer. It's incredibly easy. First thing you want to make sure is it's cold to the touch. It's off. I've undone the garden hose and the wand. Just makes it easier. To start off with, we're going to take the spark plug cap off so that it can't start. Just pull straight out. I'm going to take the gas cap off. I'm going to put a plastic bag because these gas caps vent. This way if we have a spill, not much will get out. It won't vent out. And the gas is off. Across is in the off position. On these, when you turn it this way, it shows flow through. So that is off. There is no drain plug on these things. That's why people don't change the oil very often. We're going to drain it out of the dipstick hole. So we take the dipstick out, put it somewhere we're not going to lose it. Remember, the gas is off, and I have as little gas as you possibly can in the gas tank, just for insurance. And it just goes like this. And that is not good looking oil. And that's it. So I'm just going to leave that till it drains out. Won't take long. Okay, it's done draining. Let's quickly tip it up. There you go. We can take our bag off. Now, if you'd like to know approximately how much oil to start out with, get yourself a graduated funnel. Make sure it's off. And let's pour it in here. And it'll give us an idea how much to put in there. Close enough so we can check the dipstick. Okay. So we got, looks like 400 mil. Okay, I have 400 mil. This will get us close. Don't screw it in when you're checking the oil. I don't know if you can see, but that's perfect. So that's how you change your oil on your pressure washer. I hope this helps. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.